Hi, my name's Ian Castle. I'm a professional vocal coach and performer from Australia, and I'm here to help you become a better singer. If you haven't done so already, make sure that you subscribe for more videos just like this one. Today I'm going to share an exercise that will help you maintain connection in the mid to high part of your range. If you suffer from a break in your voice, this lesson's for you. There are two main reasons that your voice breaks when singing higher: excessive muscle tension and excessive breath force. These two issues go hand in hand. Now, what I want to teach you today is how to strip away this impulse to sing louder, to resist the temptation to force your voice at the upper end of your range. First, a demonstration of what I mean by forcing the voice. La. Notice the distortion of tone and the physical effort required to pitch that high note. What I would describe this feeling is muscling the voice. It is very fatiguing and it will eventually result in a break. I want to share an exercise with you that will condition your voice and mind to do the opposite. The exercise goes like this. What this exercise does is utilize an efficient amount of air to produce a clear and relaxed vocal tone. You'll find it easier to sustain your higher notes, and your break will become smoother. Here are some things to remember during the exercise. Start each note with a silent open throat breath. Slide up to the high note. This is important for maintaining connection. Don't make your start note too loud. Resist the temptation to increase volume and airflow as you slide up. Move your hand back behind your head as you slide up. This mental trick will help prevent a pushing sensation. Okay, so now it's your turn. I'm going to cover a decent amount of range, as every voice is different. Now, when you get to the point where it's a little challenging to sustain the notes or you feel yourself pushing, that's where you should stop and wait for the exercise to return to a more comfortable pitch. Okay, let's begin. Starting with the low voices. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's head back down. And we're done. Okay, so that's the exercise for developing relaxed connection. How did you go? Let me know in the comments section. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your singing friends. I'm Ian Castle, and I'll be back very soon with another 5-minute singing lesson. Bye for now. If you would like to take your singing to the next level with me as your vocal coach, head over to AussieVocalCoach.com, where you can sign up for my free beginner and advanced vocal routines, or you can check out my vocal programs and personal coaching.